Really like this product. This is the Epsom-It Nerve Lotion. So feels like Epsom salt bath in a bottle. Simple, unscented, and straight to the point. So for me, why I like this is it goes on so smooth. It is not greasy and it absorbs really fast, okay? So basically it feels like a gentle warming sensation that actually relaxes those tired legs and feet. I like to use it before bed without needing a full bath or cleanup. So why this one stands out to me. This is designed for the knees, the legs, the feet, where that discomfort really tends to linger. It combines the magnesium with the Arnica for that targeted comfort. I love that it's fragrance free, so it won't clash with anything that you might have on your, on your body that is scented. Bottom line, if those legs or those feet get cranky at night, and I know mine do, and you don't want a hassle of taking a bath and soaking, this is an easy, no-nonsense option that really fits into real life. I use this all the time. I really like it. And for me, it really does help that neuropathy in my feet. The opinions in this review are mine based on my real use of the product. The product was provided by the brand.